Have you ever wondered what is the best stochastic settings for you? There are so many recommended settings out there. MT5 uses a default setting of 5.3.3. TradingView uses a default setting of 14.1.3. Some webpage forum recommended using 6.3.3. So what exactly is the best setting to use for stochastic indicator? Let's find out in this video. Hello everyone and welcome to the Meta Exchange. As you know, there are many recommended settings for the stochastic indicator, not to mention the different values of overbought and oversold levels. If you are curious which setting will give you the most profit, then you are in the right video. In this video, we have grouped the content into 5 sections. First section is for those who are new to trading and are interested to find out how stochastic indicator work. We will be giving you a detailed explanation on stochastic indicator and how to use it. In the second section, we will be sharing with you how we use stochastic indicator to generate buy and sell signals for us. This trading strategy is easy to follow, and we have prepared some buy and sell examples using real market values for you. In the third section, we will be going through all the recommended stochastic settings and permutations used in our back testing. After the back test, in the fourth section, we will be sharing with you the best settings for the stochastic indicator. Our goal is to find out what is the best time frame to use the indicator? What is the best overbought and oversold level to use? And what is the best K and D period to use? Last but not least, in the final section, which is the most important section, we will share with you how you can optimize and further improve the profits. All these questions will be answered in this video. Stay till the end to find out. We will be sharing profitable strategies and best settings on our YouTube videos. Remember to click the subscribe button and notification icon so that you will not miss out on it. In this section of the video, let us give you a brief and clear explanation of the stochastic indicator. It will be good for you to watch this chapter, as it will definitely improve your understanding of the indicator. The stochastic indicator is a momentum indicator comparing the closing price to a range of its previous prices over a certain period of time. It is used to generate overbought and oversold trading signals, utilizing a 0 to 100 bounded range of values. There are 5 values to take note for the stochastic indicator. The first value in the setting, the percentage K period, determines the stochastic value. You do not really need to memorize the calculation since it has been calculated for us. The second value in the setting is the smoothing of percentage K, which determines the period of average used to draw the stochastic value. In TradingView, the value of 1 would mean to use the exact percentage K value, which is also known as the fast stochastic indicator, and the value of 3 would mean that it would be a slow stochastic. The fast stochastic uses the most recent price data, while the slow stochastic uses a moving average. Therefore, the fast version will react more quickly with timely signals, but may also produce false signals. The slow version will be smoother, taking more time to produce signals, but may be more accurate. The third value is the percentage D period, which determines the stochastic D values calculated from the K value. If you are confused already, just remember that the K value is calculated using the formula first. It is then averaged by the second value. This would be the main K value seen on the indicator. Next, this value is further averaged by the third value to form the D value. Moving on to the fourth and last value, the overbought and oversold level. The default value for this is at 80 and 20 respectively. The Forex pair is deemed to be overbought when the K and D values are above the 80 level. Similarly, it is deemed to be oversold when the K and D values are below level 20. In this video, we will be optimizing these 5 settings to get better result and more profit. Stay tuned to find out what is the best setting. If you are new to this channel, please tap the like button and follow us for more in-depth analysis of different trading strategies. In this section, we will be sharing a simple and profitable strategy using the stochastic indicator. This strategy is very easy to follow. Let us briefly go through our buy and sell entries so that you are familiar with our strategy. For a buy signal, first, we check that the price is above the 200 EMA. This shows that the price is in an uptrend. Second, we will check that both stochastic K and D values enter the oversold zone, with value D bigger than value K. This will show that the price is starting to reach an oversold area. Third, we will wait for the stochastic K and D values to exit the oversold zone. The K value needs to be bigger than the D value. We will enter a buy trade at the close of the candle. Let us do a quick run through on the sell signals. The opposite is true for the sell signal. First, we check that the price is below the 200 EMA level. This shows that the price is in a downtrend. Second, we will check that both stochastic K and D value enters the overbought zone, with the K value bigger than the D value. This will show that the price is starting to reach an overbought area. Third, we will wait for the stochastic K and D value to exit the overbought zone, having the D value bigger than the K value. We will enter a sell trade at the close of the candle. We have provided a summary page for you to take note. Please feel free to pause the video or take a screenshot of this. We have come to the third section of the video. We will be going through all the different stochastic settings and the different permutations that would be used for the backtest. As mentioned in the beginning of the video, there are many recommended settings for the stochastic indicator. First, we have the MetaTrader 5 default value, which is 533. Second, we have the TradingView default, which is 1413. When we Google best stochastic indicator settings, we can see a few suggestions, such as 1433. In Investopedia, we also see 2177 and 211414. We also referenced from the website stochastic-mcd.com, where they mentioned 633 setting, 1233 setting and 833. In total, we have identified 8 possible settings for our backtest. Let us know in the comments section if there is any other great stochastic indicator settings that we have missed out. Next, for the oversold and overbought level, other than the default 80-20, we have also identified another 2 more, which are the 90-10 and 70-30 levels. These levels will also be included in our backtest. The time frame for backtest would be between 5 minutes to 4 hours. This would include time frame used by scalpers, day traders and also swing traders. We would also test different stop-loss levels, ranging from 10 pips to 50 pips with a 10 pips increment. This is to simulate the trades profile of a scalper, day and swing trader. Our risk-to-reward ratio will be ranging from 1 to 3 with an increment of 0.5. With all these different permutations in mind, we have coded an expert advisor to help us with the backtest. Our backtest will be on the Euro-USD, using the tick data from 1st of January 2021 to 1st of January 2022. We have a total of 24,000 permutations to test. There are a lot of permutations for us. Let us start the backtest. While our expert advisor is running, if you are new to this channel, please tap the like button and follow us for more in-depth analysis of different trading strategies. Please also comment down below if there are any backtesting settings that you would like us to include. After our expert advisor has completed the backtest, we have compiled a total of 24,000 trading results. In this section, we will be answering the burning question: what is the best setting for you? We have conducted simple data analysis and filtered the results to identify the best recommended settings. Out of the 24,000 trade results, we have managed to narrow it down to just 452 profitable trade settings. And from these 452 settings, the highest occurrence and most profitable trade setting was the 1-hour time frame. Needless to say, the 1-hour time frame is the best time frame to use the stochastic indicator. The next question would be, what is the best overbought and oversold level? We had 3 pair of values to test, namely the 80-20, 90-10, and 70-30. From the chart, we can see that the 90-10 has the highest share. However, this does not mean that it is the best level to use. We went through the top 100 profitable settings, majority of them were still the 80-20 level. Therefore, we would conclude that the best overbought and oversold level would still be the 80-20 level. Moving to the most important question, what is the best stochastic setting to use? Here are the top 3 profitable stochastic settings. At third place we have the 14-1-3, and in second place we have the 12-3-3. Coming in first place, which is the most profitable stochastic setting, is the 14-3-3. We have conducted 24,000 backtests, and the trade setting that gave the highest profit with lowest drawdown was the 14-3-3 stochastic setting. This result was achieved using the 1-hour time frame on Euro USD, stop loss level at 50 pips, risk to reward ratio at 1:3, which means take profit is at 150 pips. There were a total of 72 trades executed in 2021. The maximum drawdown on account was low, sitting at only 8.38%. This strategy was able to earn a total of 1,611 pips in 2021. Looking at the equity chart, we can see that this strategy was having a consistent profit throughout the year. Are you satisfied with the results? Well, I am not. In this final section, we will be sharing with you how you can improve this strategy and earn even more profits. We ran through all the trades and plot them on our TradingView chart to check that all the entry, take profit and stop loss levels are correct on both MetaTrader 5 and TradingView platform. After that, we analyzed our winner and loser trades using TradingView to find an improvement. After some analysis, we found out that some of our losers were caused by falling volume, such as this example. And most of our winners have rising volumes, such as this example. This caused us to believe that we can use volume to filter out bad trades and keep the good trades. We modified our expert advisor to include a volume filter. This means that after the stochastic indicator has given us a buy or sell signal, the expert advisor will also check if the signal has a rising volume before entering a trade. We are happy to announce that the result was an increase in the profits. Looking at the comparison table below, our drawdown has cut down from 10.48% to 8.38%. Similarly, our win rate has increased from 37% to 40%. This win rate is good as we have a 1:3 risk to reward ratio. Most importantly, our profits has increased from 1,611 pips to 1,884 pips, that is an increase of 17%. And there you have it. In this video, we have shared with you what is the stochastic indicator. How a simple and easy to follow strategy can generate such a high profit. How we include all the recommended settings and other permutations into our backtest. The best recommended settings for stochastic indicator. And lastly, how we further improve the results with a simple tweak in the volume analysis. We hope this video can give you some ideas on how to trade using the stochastic indicator strategy. All we like to ask for is for you to kindly like, share and subscribe to our channel. You can greatly help us with the YouTube algorithm and motivate us to create more winning strategy videos. We are also excited to run the expert advisor on all 28 Forex currency pairs with more timeframes and other risk to reward ratio permutation. We would like to hear your suggestions on how to improve our strategy. Please feel free to comment down below and share with us your thoughts. If you have a trading strategy that you would like us to backtest or to create an expert advisor from it, please email us at themetaexchange@gmail.com. Last but not least, don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thank you. The Meta Exchange, signing off.